Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Planet IX project. We'll be taking a look at some of its utility, some of its tokenomics, and its future updates and announcements coming down the road. But before I jump into this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's hop into it. So here is the Planet IX website, and just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below. So make sure to go check it out over there. And Planet IX is actually a NFT based strategy game. So the idea is that you get a virtual copy of planet Earth as your arena, and the goal is to actually restore the planet Earth as back to its former green and blue glory. And first and foremost, let's take a look at the tokenomics breakdown, because this is actually a very big part of the project. Now here's the IX Foundation with some of their DeFi products. As you can see, IXT staking is currently live, and there's 24 million IXT tokens in the total reward pool. So the more you stake, the more you get in your reward pool and you'll receive. So you can start staking with clicking this button down below, which will take you to the staking dashboard where you can connect your wallet and get started with staking. So what exactly is IXT? So it allows you the token to actually be staked for different assets that owners can claim, different rewards, and contribute to the actual game economy. For in-game utility, you'll actually be able to use it in the game and have access with the different features in the game through this use of token. As for the governance, it enables a structure that can be utilized by all players and who want a decentralized experience in the game and claim different rewards as well. So the growth of Planet IX has actually been quite enormous, guys, because they just launched in Q2 of 2021 last year, but they already have 400,000 active users and 45% monthly user growth. So currently the IXT staking contract is live right now. 25% of the revenue will be split back and given to the community through territory staking. And actually 100% of the commission made from their marketplace will be given back to the community. Here's a little bit about their token allocation. As we can see, about 8% is for investors and advisors, 18% is the airdrop, 16% is the liquidity event, 41% is ecosystem fund, and then 15.99%, basically 16% is the staking rewards. Now we just broke down how the tokenomics is going to work, but now let's take a look at the project side of things and what you get having being part of this project. You'll be able to collect your PIX NFTs to gain more control of Planet IX's total landmass and form territory NFTs to unlock further different rewards. You can also trade with other AOC to lay your hands on those PIX you want to expand your collection for the NFTs. And then you can also develop different strategies on your own to join forces with others, build up facilities, and restore the beauty of Planet IX. So it's kind of a game where you can build up and join in with different communities, use your NFTs, use the functionality and utility behind them in the game, and just grow your planet to the best you can. So the goal in this game is actually to explore their world, collect NFTs, trade them on the marketplace, challenge other in the play to earn games, and reap rewards from various DeFi functionalities. However, the game does not actually stop there. Your digital footprint is actually in this environment and will also create a sustainable real world impact. Here's actually how these PIX tier NFTs will look like, and this is actually the core asset of the Planet IX project. Basically, it's an individual hexagon shaped piece of land. As you can see, this is some pretty cool stuff that you get to start off with in their whole Planet IX universe, and a lot of people are actually comparing this project to Axie Infinity and the potential that they have, really. So this is great stuff to see that Planet IX is in the big leagues with some of these other huge NFT game based land projects out there. So this could really be on that same trajectory we see Axie Infinity going on. They also do different pack drops where you can buy their PIX NFTs on a limited date. This one says every Monday at 12 p.m. UTC. PIX can be bought in mixed packs, as well as different NFT raffles where you can complete in-game challenges in order to receive every ticket to our special landmark raffles as NFTs. So it's crazy how much potential this coin has, and this token has, the IXT token, being connected to such a huge project that's involved in play to earn, DeFi, and NFTs as a whole. So there's a bunch of potential of the token itself, its utilities, and the utilities that this token offers connected to the game and the project and all its utilities in there. So being part of this token and this project gives you so much different utility and access and opportunity really in this space. And honestly, looking at their market cap, this is relatively pretty small to the potential of what this project has in store for the future, because right now it's at 34 million. That's not that much compared to other big projects that are doing the similar features and utilities. So, you know, getting in on this project early, getting in on such a good price right now is definitely the move if you want something for the long term that's going to be here for the next couple years and onwards. Approximately 35% of their circulating supply is locked up currently in staking, which is just a huge other bonus for their holders who are willing to stake and honestly trying to get some passive income and earn some money off staking for this project. Now, this project already had 400,000 users when they were in their Web 2 phase, and they haven't even launched their game properly for the Web 3 space and onwards. So having that user base that's loyal to them and is still here is a great pro for them, right, to have for a sustainable long-term growth of this project. There's over 50 people working behind the scenes, part of the team of this project, working really hard, making this the best possible Web3 space project that they can. They have some huge investors behind them backing up this project as well. And this is also backed up by the Polygon system and the Polygon blockchain, the company itself. So looking at this project, they definitely check out all the boxes over here, and there's no way this project cannot succeed in the future. So speaking of their future, here is their roadmap, and as you can see, they did the launch already. They have the DeFi structure planned out. Their DAO and play to earn is actually in works right now. For Q3 of 2022, they're doing further DeFi upgrades, and then Q4 2022, they'll be doing Dev SDK. Along with all this on their roadmap, they're going to be introducing more in-game utility tokens, mini games, PvP games, and card games. 0.25% of their NFTs will all be minted on-chain. There'll be a total of almost 2 billion NFTs minted. They'll have a sustainable approach with connections to real-world input. And very soon, they're going to be introducing their impact and earn system. Now, going on to the community side of things, here is their Twitter account with 11.4K followers. Pretty good. They just joined April 2021. Not bad. So they over here just do a couple announcements, different milestones and partnerships that they'd like to announce, and just keep their community really up to date with. So great stuff over here. If you are interested in this project, this will also be available in the link down in the description below. So make sure to go check them out on their Twitter. Give them a follow over here on their Twitter. Have those notifications on. Stay engaged and involved with their community. So this is some great stuff that they do over here on their Twitter. You know, it's really cool that they're keeping their community really up to date and involved. So that's pretty much it for the Planet IX project. Now, this is a great project with already a huge, strong community of 400,000 users. They have a great play to earn staking system and all the utility that comes in with their token. Just a quick reminder that the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below. So make sure to go check them out over there. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a like, leave a comment down below of any questions you might have had about this project. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can keep on getting some awesome advice and content to help you out on your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.